Hello Falcons, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to share a document that you're working on with members of your group or possibly with your teacher. So up here on the top right corner you'll see the word share on any Google Suite page. So you'll click that and then it'll bring up this list of options here in the middle. So you can see already that I've shared the document that we're looking at now with quite a few people here, but if you want to add people and share documents with those folks, you might type here, let's say I want to add Mr. Bolo, Stephen.Bollinger. I would click his name and it would then add him to this document. You can choose to notify them or not notify them with an email, but when you click share or send here, it shares the document with that person. Also, if we backpedal a little bit, this option down here is a good one as well. So if you click this change link to Denver School of Science and Technology, what this does is it makes it so anyone who owns the link for the page can be a viewer. So if you leave this as a viewer and you copy this link and paste it where it needs to go, then anyone who clicks that link will be able to see your page. Hopefully this is helpful. See you later.